Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to swap out this air filter. It's on the driver's side of the vehicle. Pretty easy. You just got two clips right here. You're just going to pull each of them back. You're going to lift up on the box and pull back. Way easier than the 12th gen F150s are. You're just going to remove the filter. Just take it right out. As you can see, this is a little bit dirtier than I like it personally, but it should be about this dirty or less. If it's any dirtier than this, you waited way too long to change it. And as always, we're going to use some OEM parts here. This is the part number FA1883 air filter Motorcraft. And we're going to open it up. This air filter actually fits the 2009 and up F150s, but the video I'm doing today is only for 2015 and up. So it's in a bag because it's coated in a light oil. So you're just going to rip open the bag here and then take out the oil filter. And what I like to do when I get it out is I like to face the words towards the front of the truck and just make sure the words are faced towards the front of the truck, and you're just going to slide it right in there. And it's just going to drop right in there. If it doesn't, you did something wrong. You're going to do the back first, push it down and in, and then the front you're going to do up to 2 clips. And just like that, it's that easy and it's done. I have a little bit of oil on my gloves as you can see, but no harm there. Thank you, and we'll see you all next time.